that is my official stand on that matter. The event yesterday was an inspection, not an inauguration. If you listen to what the president said, he praised those responsible for the project. Paki-check po ninyo yung interview, matagal-tagal po yung interview ng mga media na nandun. He praised the Chinese contractors, the technology that was used na maganda at mabilis. Nakakalungkot lang na minsan na politika. It was never a political event. It was an inspection, a job of the chief of part of what the president does, not only here in Davao but in the whole country. He goes around and inspects projects that will be good for the Filipino people. Yung kahapon na paano siya makakatulong, of course, it will cut travel time from Martina hanggang dun sa cross, hanggang sa dulo, from 1 hour 45 minutes of travel time. It may be cut from 20 minutes to 30 minutes. So malaking tulong ito sa pag-transport ng tao. Hindi lang tao, again, to transport goods. And again, hopefully, we do not look at it as a political event. It was the chief executive, because the president doing his job, inspecting major projects that help uplift lives of Filipinos.
Next,